Super adorable, cozy and functional home. This charming cottage-style ranch is situated on 2 private acres with gently rolling hills, semicircular driveway and excellent road frontage. Plenty of flowering shrubs make their way to the backyard, where you'll be greeted by a playhouse with its own little deck, gardening shed, and just a bit further back, a large detached garage/workshop. Step inside to find the simpler way of life with one-level living. Open kitchen allows for plenty of space for eat-in dining, generous sized living room, bathroom and 2 bedrooms. Property has mini-split and cools home off pretty quickly and efficiently. Good proximity to area dining/shopping. Property is sold as is.